We went for the Charlton, the number one thing from my perspective with the space. In the Charlton, my favourite room is probably the kitchen room. The kitchen's great because it's got a little snug area as well, so people can be sat down on the sofa watching the TV whilst you're making dinner.
The study downstairs is really good because we both work from home some of the time. The thing that I love the most about the Charlton is probably our bedroom. So the master bedroom has a dressing area and it's also got a lovely big window, so we've got a really nice view out over the fields, so you definitely feel like it's a place you can relax and be comfortable in, and it's a really great size as well.